Hi, my name is Siddhant Iyer and I study at Bennett University and I am in my final year of computer science engineering. Today I will be talking to you about my summer internship experience in 2020. I did a summer internship as an RPA developer at Graysoft Solutions Private Limited. I got to know about this company through my cousin who told me that there's an opening for a intern. So I got in contact with the appropriate authorities, and then two telephonic interviews were conducted, and finally I was selected into it. And this was in the first week of July. Let me tell you more about Graysoft Solutions. So let us learn something about the organization. Graysoft is an emerging global software technology company. This organization helps Fortune 500 companies to reach their potential through tailor-made technology solutions. And they have been working very closely with global banking and financial institutions for more than 15 years to solve the technical challenges and help them conquer the largest quest of the term digital transformation. You may ask, what is digital transformation? So during early days, businesses used to follow the production approach, where things are produced and sold to masses. Then came sales approach, where they were more produced and forced into high sales. So in this transition, businesses have seen a massive shift in how they communicate internally and externally, and digitalization is a major playing part of it. Organizations today want to be agiler in their business workflows and reach time to market. At Graysoft, they help these companies with transforming technological solutions so that they can focus more on their core business process. Let's learn something about robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is all about building intelligent automations for an enterprise, centrally automating, managing, and tracking business processes that are executed by robots in all departments of the organization. So, in simple terms, what RPA is that it is making a software robot which helps you to do the everyday manual, long, and tedious work, which is boring as well. Mostly these works are rule based and repetitive, and the user does the same thing over and over again. So the main idea is to help the user out by creating a software bot which does all this for them. Let us see some benefits of RPA. It helps in high growth, minimize cost, reduce operational and technology risk, impact on bottom line, seamless integration, transparency, revenue increase, and regulatory compliance. The problem statement given to me was that the software should be able to extract data from a website. For my project, we use the website vahan.nic, which is an government affiliated websites where you can find details of any vehicles. So there will be a Excel of vehicle numbers, and the robot should be able to get details for all the vehicles and should store into another Excel file which has all the details. One of the best RPA developing tools is UiPath, but UiPath is a quite complicated software. So in order to learn something before UiPath, my mentor suggested me to learn Win Automation by Softomotive. Softomotive is recently acquired by Microsoft. During the first week, I was given a crash course on Win Automation. This was done using the official tutorials provided by the Softomotive organization on YouTube. They also had two live seminars for Excel automation and web automation recorded and uploaded on YouTube. I was given certain tasks with a particular deadline, and step by step, we kept on programming the software bot. As I was new to RPA, I was definitely aware about the challenges I am going to face. With the help of the guidance of Mr. Vipul Rai, I was able to tackle them with different strategies and conquer them all. The software bot was then ready to be implemented. I would like to thank the organization Graysoft Solutions for offering me this wonderful opportunity. This was a quite an hands-on experience in robotics, and I was very intrigued by it as I got to learn something new every day. I would also like to thank all the professors from Bennett University for developing my skills needed for the industrial experience and for having constant faith. and being supportive. This was truly a remarkable experience, and I am thankful and very grateful for it. You can check out my Medium blog mentioned in the description for any further details, or you can contact me. Thank you. Stay safe.